First race is a short drag race, be about 50 feet. We'll mark it out with cones. Second race is going to be the long drag race with a stop box at the end. If you don't stop in the box, you don't get a position until you stop in the box. So if someone's right behind you and you go through the box and they stop, they get the position. You have to come around and get back in there somehow. I don't care if you push it in there. That's when you get your position. Then we're going to do a barrel pattern because we're on a horse farm. We're going to do a barrel race pattern, which looks like this if y'all want to look at it, or I can draw it out in the sand because that's how I do. We're real technical here. You got a start-finish line right there. You got your 3 cones, you know, like so. You can either start at the line and do it from a dig, or you can get it from a run. But as soon as you come across this line, your time starts. So you come across, go around, go back this way. And which way is it?
To the right.
Yep.
Yes.
And back through. Then your time starts. Don't look at what it looks like. Don't mind that. But you got to come on the inside here and go to the outside and make like a figure 8 between those 2 barrels, which is going to be interesting for a few of y'all with the bad steering.
Well, I never braced got bad steering. Why are you looking at me?
Because you're going to be the entertainment for today.
This episode brought to you by @DusterDude228. Guys, go check him out. Sorry, 223.
That's right as a bullet. 225.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
225. DusterDude225. You know what? Moving on.
Yeah. We might walk the course before, so everybody knows where they're supposed to go. Since you don't know your left from the right, we're gonna get you back into Sesame Street.
I want to make the animal.
Yeah. And then, yeah. And then the last thing is gonna be the tug of war, which you got to change in the ring. Okay. And regular tug of war is going to mark the center of the chain, set 2 cones, and when you pull your mark across, one that gets pulled across loses, the one that's pulling wins.
Explain the point system.
Point system is however many lawnmowers we got competing, there's going to be that many points. First place gets, what we got? 5. We got 5 lawnmowers. First place gets 5. Second gets 4, 3, 2, 1. Last person gets 1 point.
So whoever racks up the most points by the end of the competition is going to be our Ace of Blades champion.
Yep.
Woo! I love your enthusiasm.
The good news is none of y'all can be last because we already had somebody drop out, so they're the last place.
You know
Hard
who
to be
you are.
first, it's hard to be last.
You know who you are. You're watching this.
Yeah.
We miss you. We miss you. We wish you the best, man.
Done had our first failure.
Hey, that's okay.
Look, it's alright, look, we might be able to fix it.
What do you think will hold it back together?
The steering rod came loose, see?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, the danglage is real with this one. Hot is hot.
I just said that.
I know, I thought you... The steering came apart on the front wheel.
Oh no.
Are y'all cool? We'll let them get it fixed before we go race the next one? Well, I'm saying we can fix it. Well,
You got the greatest minds in America standing right here in front of you.
maybe hit the
ball pop off.
Did you just say, oh
The
Lord?
nut just came off the
Yeah, that's the greatest minds. We're done.
What? He talking Chuck Gibby.
That might be 4 brain cells between 3 of them. 4 of them. I can't even count how many of us there are. Well, at least 2/3.
Look, there's spare parts in here.
Yes.
My fingers don't fit in there though.
Oh, what a unit.
What do you need? That little thing?
Any of it, all of it, some of it.
There's some tools on my tractor.
Shit. You got any nuts on there?
Probably not.
That'd be some luck if we got the actual parts to fix it.
All I have is bubble wands and like.
Bubble wands.
Yeah.
We might need a bubble wand. What?
A bubble wand. You know, for blowing bubbles.
Oh. Okay.
Pretty sure I got footage of the dog crapping on the.
Oh, good.
That's our mascot.
Yeah.
The dog shitting.
Okay, yeah.
dog
Good.
shit.
That works out well.
Trying to make
Yeah.
shit go fast.
Yeah. Already got a man down. Man.
A little one.
Yeah.
Look at him.
He was,
So
I
upset.
know, that was awful. But that's okay, we'll get it going again.
Drive around. Then make wreck again, okay? Yeah.
Yay! We're back on schedule.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, and then get over there beside the orange tractor.
What in the world?
He's still a little short. Alright, baby.
Yeah, Bo! It's good for it. Ryder? Alright. We got 3 out of 4. Go! Holy crap! Joshua!
Okay, so was it, you had to be completely in between the cones?
That is an excellent question,
is that
Watson. It's elementary, my dear
Yeah.
friend. We must ask the geniuses behind all of this. Also, look at what I found that came off of this beauty.
But look, it made it. All right.
You
Whatever.
don't
Couldn't
need
have been that
nuts.
important. Yeah.
This joker dropped the plow.
I think Ryder beat you, so that puts you in third.
Well, I thought Travis was the only person I thought was Travis. I thought he beat me. But
I think Travis was first. And because you had to back up and then stop, Ryder got you, and then I'm last.
Who's writing this down? Oh.
Ryder, you were second.
Woo! Go Ryder! By the grace of God, baby, the Lord has been with you.
It fell off.
Hey, hey, hey. And God provided. What? I'm magic. Help! Help! Really odd. One of the odds.
Look at Eleanor, look at
Guys, welcome back. Julia Walker here, presenting to you the very first Ace of Blades event here, hosted by Walker Acres and brought to you by Brock Customs in association with Duster Dude 22 something and Tractor Travis something. And the links will be in the description, guys. Check them out. Here with me today is Candace Terrell. Those are the best ones. I'm crying. I tried to be a radio announcer for you, but I just botched the whole thing, and I'm pretty sure my face ran into Candace's hand.
Swing it, boy.
All right.
Land of free.
I didn't mean to bite you.
No, you didn't.
Shortest time wins the match.
All right, Rowan.
Thoughts on our possible winners?
We'll start off here. We're gonna go one loop around here without hitting the barrel.
Yeah, what's the penalties if they knock one over? Like, what's
You know
the
what?
time added on?
I don't think it's gotten that complex.
Back around.
And here we see a natural father-son in their normal environment. He is sabotaging a competition.
All right, when you come back across here, you go as fast as you can. Back over there across the line. That's when you get your time.
He really runs as white as he could run.
Anybody have a timer on their phone so we can do a timer?
I was gonna video, so it'll be timed. I'll video each person,
Okay, you want to do that?
or we can do both. Don't matter to me.
Hey, Rowan, get America out of your mouth.
Hey, get me eating America.
We're pretty serious here.
Yeah.
We're trying to hurt feelings.
Yeah, let's do the timer. Because
He said as he buttoned his front flap.
That's what you know he's saying.
It's like buckling your seatbelt.
So what is, I wasn't paying attention.
When,
Well, I thought I could just like get the end of it.
All right, here's your part.
Okay, I'm ready.
When they first come across these two cones,
I know, Josh is going to take forever and a day. I know.
you're
Oh
welcome.
Lord.
I don't think my lawnmower is gonna do
You ain't gonna drive none?
Hey, that's okay. Do it until I can't do it anymore.
All right, Ryder.
gotta at least try.
Look, man, you done got second place, dude.
Well, I don't.
Hey,
I'm worried about it falling off again.
It's okay if it falls
If it falls
Don't
off,
run over nobody.
if it falls off, it's no big deal.
Yeah,
This
look, we
ain't.
got a backup one over there.
Look,
You calm down.
it looks like that creepy sidecar from the BBC.
Josh! Josh! Pick your seat up. Zoom in on that. Seat up. Pick it up. Pick it up where the camera can see.
Ryder, where is he? He's worried about his tractor coming apart. That dude's tractor didn't start together. Guys. Is he printing a license plate?
I'm like, oh my God.
No, they're not going together.
Okay.
So as soon as he comes through these two cones, then you start the timer.
Okay.
Poopy Duke, do you want to start him?
Who's going first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do the best you can, baby.
Just a refresher on the
Yeah, this
on the
is
route.
just an expression of. Oh, what a
Speaking of
face!
expressions.
He's over there blowing America.
Stop it! All right. Flagging, baby. Yeah! Oh, wait. JK. Cut. Whoa!
You can see it's friggin' stuff.
So am I, baby. What? Wow, Joshua! What the I'm coming!
I think we know who. Okay, so in fourth place at 33.73 seconds is Josh.
Oh, okay.
In third
Graceful winner.
third place at 26.46 seconds is Ryder.
Wow, good job!
There you go, buddy.
Second place at 23.43 seconds is Rocky.
Woo!
First place with 22.01 seconds.
Hey!
Look at your brakes!
Yeah.
You were like,
Man, you was hauling, dude.
Oh my gosh! Look at you guys!
I just got a little mud on my butt.
You know what?
are those your good
Yeah, my no butt.
And my shirt.
I'm gonna kill you. Oh my God, I just got a missing buckle.
I couldn't wear jeans.
Is the tractor pull.
Good.
Is that over there in that mud right there?
Yeah,
It's over in the
girl.
mud.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be so good.
Babe, you better get down to your boxes. No more.
No more.
How am I gonna get all that out?
We're gonna have to start charging people to watch this video. It's a man with a plan. Yeah, Bo. Is that your little chain?
I'm gonna wear this like Mr. T.
Oh, God.
We're gonna have to hook that around my axle. We're gonna have to hook anything on mine. I'm gonna set this thing down somewhere.
Tug of war rules. Orange is the middle. When it goes past the cone, whichever side it goes past, whoever gets drugged back loses.
If you break the chain,
If you break the chain, we're going home. 'Cause I don't even want to tote this.
This looks safe. That's right.
Don't try this at home.
You're not heavy enough? It's too wet.
are you flagging?
Are you flagging? You can flag. Go ahead. You look like America.
Alright, you ready, boy? You ready, boy?
Hey, that was pretty cool.
Good job, buddy.
I tried.
I think you're outweighted there.
Yeah, well.
Might be at a slight disadvantage, buddy. stock parts.
We're never intended to go together.
Out of 5 different vehicles.
No, don't mind Rocky. He's just breaking it down like old folks.
I'm like an inch taller than I'm supposed to be, so I'm trying to get the mud off my feet.
Hey, one side?
Yeah, I'm like,
Hey, extra inch never hurt nobody.
that's right.
Damn it, Bo. Dang. Josh? This Joker is cranking it. He really is.
Yeah,
You might have to full start it, Rocky.
I think that's going to be a win on my part.
Yeah!
We can pull it if you need to.
Raji's over there looking like a food critic. Like,
Watch out, baby.
Look at her face. Like, who called me? Life! It's alive!
You didn't want to take that
Let's see what the food critic says. Look at that seat. Oh!
Seen nobody install a hydrostatic transmission tractor.
You want to see the wheel?
Well, you have today. Hey, we'll race see who can get started faster.
Oh, Josh!
You want to put a bet on this? You want to bet this seat? You got to ride back on the brick?
You could wear that for a Viking breastplate, dude.
What?
You could wear that for a Viking breastplate.
Rest.
I was thinking the other way, but whatever. Yes!
Belly is.
This thing ain't gonna run over me, is it? No, it's gonna run me over. Full start it.
You know the rules. You know the rules, and so do I.
Oh.
You're getting there.
Oh.
Most of this video is going to be Josh cranking his lawnmower.
Well, no, you know,
And the food critic.
I put these engines on balls. Like really trying to work with this stuff.
Trying to make a living.
Yeah. Trying nothing.
And you can't even come out here and have fun.
Yeah. Crank on these days.
I think we need to have the kids race the barrel pattern.
With what?
Their feet.
Duh, their feet. Okay. Well, we're gonna cut to a commercial break while Joshua tries to raise the dead.
What is it, the SpongeBob?
20 hours later. And here we see 4 Mongolian show gorillas in their natural habitat. It appears they have a little bit of a conundrum. Ready? Ready? Go! Food critic. Gentlemen, what on earth?
I think I get like the first like this far and then it stops moving. Yeah. Look at these holes I've done.
All right, up next is the slow race. You drop it in turtle gear, and the rule is you can't stall or brake. Whoever gets there last wins the race. Also, Josh's archaic artifact is broken. All right, young people, you are running, this is the barrel pattern, correct?
Barrel pattern.
All right, same pattern you saw earlier where you come out, you go around this one, you go around that one, and then you go around that back one, and then you hightail it back to the finish line, okay? As fast as you can. Are you ready? Are you set? Watch out for the little one, guys. Go! Go, 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 go! Oh my God! Blow! Look at, she's running the pattern. Go, Eleanor! Go, 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 go! Run, go, go, go! Woo! Go, Eleanor! Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Woo! Look, she said no 5s for you. Okay, big kids. Big kids. Come on, Alex, get in there. What, you scared you might lose? You scared? I don't know.
I don't want to run with us.
All right, my littles.
Hold on, darling.
Mark. Get set. Go.
Somebody threw a barrel out there.
Are y'all doing a clean run? Or are you?
I can. You want to go?
Oh no.
Hey, you're the cleanest.
We got time. Look, he buttoned his flat back. He's fine.
Rolling barrel.
I wanted to see if they wanted to run again.
You guys were like.
He's young and resilient.
You can have that one. I get DQ for hitting the barrel.
I was doing good until the course disappeared.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the slow race. Ready? Oh God. No, 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 no. no. I think Josh takes that one. Ugh. You guys, as it was, I guess, to compete. So from the bottom to the top, in 4th place, and participation, an extra effort award goes to our host.
These tears because I've been cooking, not because I lost.
Oh no! Congratulations. Okay.
I got a gold star. I'm good to go.
In 3rd place. Is this all the entries? We only had 4 people compete? That can't be right. Okay.
One of them dropped out, remember?
Oh yeah.
And one brought a double entry here. It still didn't win first.
Okay, 3rd place is Ryder Walker. And in 2nd is Josh Double Tractor. Oh yeah! Congratulations, my dude. And in 1st,
You're not shooting any traffic.
without further ado, what is this, man?
That's first place right there, baby.
Which was donated by the
Which was
Skin Belly
donated.
Travis here CEO.
I brought it and I'm taking it back home.
Hey! Congratulations, man. 1st place winner and our king, Ace of Blades.
Woo!
Big thank you to everybody who is subscribed and watching our channel. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell or whatever you're supposed to do.
Now let's eat.
Also, this is Rowan, and he was our flag guy. Big thank you to this little fella right here. Check Duster Dude 2255 out. Also, what is
Skin Billy.
Skin Billy's out, guys, and also, well, I guess you're watching this channel. Thanks, guys! Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Julia Walker, and we are back with the Rednecks of America at the very first. He's gonna need to edit so much of this. At the very first Ace of Blades. Here with me is Candace O'Neill. Sorry, that's wrong. Terrell.
I actually dropped O'Neill.
Cut.
Whole thing.
Let's just make it consistent. If you do the
Okay.
front, do it the front on both ends on everybody.
Okay.
Do it the front on both ends on everyone.
Everybody. Got it. Front end. I'm gonna front end everybody.
I guess it's better than rear ending.
Yeah. Better. Yeah. We'll see how it goes.
The pattern is a little square.